शून्य IAS,
शून्य IAS, शून्य IAS,
शून्य IAS,
शून्य IAS,
शून्य IAS, शून्य IAS,
शून्य IAS,
शून्य IAS,
शून्य IAS, शून्य IAS,
शून्य IAS, शून्य IAS, शून्य IAS, शून्य IAS,
शून्य IAS, शून्य IAS.
Announcing now the greatest team ever if you are thinking to prepare for the 2027 ka exam. Hi, this side Sugam Bansal. Generally, when an aspirant prepares for the UPSC preparation, they do not know what is 100% of the preparation is all about. They miss most important advanced sections like syllabus consolidation, revisions, or maybe one-pager summaries. Apart from that, many of the aspirants face issue in answer writing. Not only that, many of the aspirants miss major main subjects like internal security, governance, disaster management, and many other subjects. Apart from that, many of the aspirants do not realize that essay and ethics plays very important role in UPSC preparation. Also, answer writing, which is a pain point for 99% of the aspirants. Not only this, current affairs, which acts as a pain point for many of the aspirants. Apart from that, aspirants generally don't have the study material or the consolidated source for the UPSC preparation. To ease that out, we have a beautiful program for you, Kavach 2027. Not only we are covering the basics, we are covering the GS foundation, and beyond that we are going to ensure that your 100% preparation is catered under the single program. So beyond foundation, we are covering the remaining 80% with the other wonderful and comprehensive components of this program. To know more, let me make you meet the great team ever in the UPSC CSE. So let me introduce you with the team which has created result over the years. The team which is trusted by many toppers over the years. The team which has time and now converted knowledge into marks.
So sir has talked to you about the 20% of the full syllabus. Most of the aspirants focus only on this 20%, and this is where the problem lies. Now I tell you a component which will upgrade your mains preparation to the next level, which is also the part of Kavach. I'll tell you about Vajr. In Vajr, we cover entire GS, GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, and we help you make summaries. We help you summarize the content in one page. This includes value addition, this includes case studies, and this is the exam-oriented content that helps you fetch marks. पढ़ाई तो आप करते हो, पर क्या आप उस knowledge को convert कर पा रहे हो? This is the main focus of Vajr, where we help you not only cover the content, but also help you write better answers in this. These Vajr classes are a part of your Kavach batch, and this will solidify your mains preparation.
Now this was about your mains preparation, guys. Now we will talk about in the same structure about your prelims preparation. Now this prelim preparation we are having in the same manner. You will be finding that the unprecedented and dedicated program, guys. This prelims program we are having in 3 components. First component is the day-long classes, as you can see in these classrooms, right? And the second component you will be finding that is of MCQ solving in the classes with the subjects which are taught by the expert faculties. And the third component, which is not without which your preparation will not be complete, guys, that is the Trinetra program as well will be taken care in this prelims bootcamp sessions, which we will be taking in the January month of 2027, right? And this all will be your for sure ticket to your mains, guys, right? And this is all the part of your Kavach Foundation 2027. So what are you waiting for? Join us today.
अब तक हमने बात करी है सारा कंटेंट के बारे में. अब हम बात करेंगे 3 इम्पॉर्टेंट इश्यूज ऐसे स्टूडेंट जो आप फेस करते हो. दिल्ली में कहाँ रहेंगे और क्या खाएंगे, दूसरा CSAT और तीसरा है आंसर राइटिंग. नाउ फॉर दैट वी हैव Shoonya IAS Gurukul, wherein excellent residence and food is provided to you. दूसरा है CSAT classes. Now CSAT classes is provided directly by me. I am Kuldeep from IIT Delhi. Along with me I have Sugam sir. He is also from IIT Delhi, and we'll focus on high quality and the most practical approach to CSAT. The third comes answer writing. For answer writing, we have two initiatives. One is Marg, another is Eklavya. मार्ग में हम देखेंगे फ्रॉम बेसिक टू एडवांस कैसे आंसर लिखना है. टॉपर्स कॉपी का डायग्नोसिस करेंगे, कैसे टॉपर्स अपने आंसर्स में लिखते थे, व्हाट आर द टेक्निक्स दैट वी कैन यूज इन द आंसर राइटिंग. और अब बात आएगी एकलव्य की, जहाँ पर फैकल्टीज खुद आपके साथ लाइव आंसर राइटिंग करेंगे विद इन टाइम लिमिट इन द क्लास इटसेल्फ, सो दैट आपको एक रियल एक्सपोजर मिले कि टाइम फ्रेम में कैसे आंसर लिखें. तो फाउंडेशन क्लासेस कर ली, एडवांस सेशंस भी कर लिए एंड आंसर राइटिंग के नुआंसेस भी समझ लिए. नाउ कम्स कि प्रैक्टिस कहाँ पर करेंगे.
So practice करने के लिए we provide you dedicated test series. In this particular test series, you will be getting 45 tests for prelims plus 35 tests for mains. Now, जैसे जैसे आपके सेक्शन वाइज क्लासेस खत्म हो जाएंगी, होती रहेंगी, वैसे ही आपके सेक्शन वाइज प्रीलिम्स के टेस्ट खत्म होते रहेंगे. जैसे ही एक चंक ऑफ सिलेबस हमारा खत्म हो जाएगा, देन वी विल बी हैविंग रिवीजन टेस्ट प्लस वी विल बी हैविंग फुल लेंथ टेस्ट. Similar thing and similar approach we will be doing for our mains test series. मेंस में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात आती है कि जो हम लिख रहे हैं अपने आंसर राइटिंग स्किल्स में, अपने प्रैक्टिस सेशंस में, उनकी इवैल्यूएशन कितनी स्टैंडर्ड है और कितनी स्टैंडर्ड नहीं. So we provide you dedicated standards for evaluation which is already being placed by various UPSC tops. And to evaluate yourself with respect to your competitors, we provide you best copies. सिर्फ टेस्ट सीरीज ही नहीं, फॉर प्रैक्टिसिंग वी प्रोवाइड यू डेली MCQs प्लस वीकली मेंस क्वेश्चंस. इसके बाद आपकी प्रिपरेशन में जर्नी में जो भी दिक्कतें आ रही हैं उसके लिए क्या.
Now the next question comes कि इतने सारे कंपोनेंट्स को यूज कैसे करें. हमारी प्रिपरेशन के लिए कौन अकाउंटेबल होगा. So for this we have proper hand holding approach through 2-tier mentorship. क्या है ये 2-tier mentorship? Tier 1 is the personal mentor who will be catering your daily doubts, and Tier 2 is the super mentor. Sugam sir will be your super mentor who will be planning your overall preparation journey that will transform your confusion into clarity. Right mentorship will save your attempts, and Sonia IAS mentorship is of no match.
And now you're done with your GS basics, advanced, answer writing, test series and mentorship. For other pain point in your preparation is your current affairs. And for this, we have integrated current affair program where you will have first foundation current affair classes along with your foundation GS classes. And to consolidate your current affairs before your prelims and mains, you will have our special and most famous Samadhan sessions. And cherry on top of the cake will be your content for current affairs, that is your monthly current affairs and your yearly compiled current affairs, topic wise and subject wise, which has been acknowledged by toppers. Toppers not only acknowledge our current affairs, but they also acknowledge our content.
Your UPSC preparation will be backed by most exam-oriented Sonia notes, which will help you funnel your knowledge into marks. As a part of Kavach program, we'll provide you the best content for prelims and mains. In prelims, we'll provide you with 11 static books compiled from various sources covering each subject in around 100 pages. And for mains, we have the most famous GS paper-wise notes. That is one book for each GS paper covering all subjects, topics and subtopics. So we have the best components covering all phases of your UPSC preparation in a single program, that is Kavach 2027.
Now, you may think how to register for such a wonderful program. Let me tell you, the Kavach 2027 program is very affordable at cost. And in order to register for this program, you have 3 options. If you want to get more details, you can get in touch with the counselors by filling the form given in the description, or else reaching out to the number given in the description. Now, if you want to wish to register directly, you can visit our website www.suniai.com. Not only that, if you want to register offline, you can visit our center at Delhi. Thank you. See you in the class.